Hey, what's up you guys? Thank you for tuning into our U-Haul channel. Today we'd like to talk to you about a cam buckle tie down by S-Line. This is a simple, easy to use cam buckle tie down with hooks. It is 6 feet long and 1 inch wide, and it has a working load of 300 pounds and a braking limit of 900 pounds. So to kind of take a better look at it, let's go ahead and open this up. All right, now that we have it out of the package, let's go ahead and take a closer look at the cam buckle tie down. We're going to start over here on the fixed end. When you take a look at the cam buckle, it's a steel cam buckle and has nice pressure to it when you push down on it. On each end of the tie down, it'll have a coated S hook, which is rounded to prevent abrasion. And when you take the adjusted end to set it all up, you'll come right underneath the underside and you'll push it through. And to adjust it, you would just push down and pull the adjustable end. It adjusts very easily, and when it's secured and you pull on the other end, has a nice tightness to it. When you take a look at the webbing itself, it is a polyester webbing, so it will be good in the elements and really good for also abrasion resistance. All right guys, once again, this is the 6-foot cam buckle tie down by S-Line. If you are interested in this product, you can find it on uhaul.com, and be sure to like and subscribe for more product videos for your hauling needs.
To learn more about the products seen in this video, visit us online today at uhaul.com.